Hey guys, welcome back. So we just decided to stick around for a third night. Yeah, I decided why not. It's so beautiful out here. And I have no problem sleeping out here. I'm just surprised there's nobody else out here. Although I did have one visitor. They actually drove right up into the beach. Well, the rocky boat launch. Parked there for a while and pulled out and drove off. It's just so quiet out here. I just get lost in my book. I've been listening to my book like most of the day. Played a little bit of video games and just enjoying nature. Well, besides keeping my van all warm and my water thawed out, there's one more thing I gotta figure out how to do. Let's charge my batteries. But luckily, I have a generator, so we're gonna pull up the generator and charge up the batteries because we only get a few hours of sunlight and then she's gone. Let's get the generator out, charge up the batteries for a little while. Does that apply to me? I don't know, man. I don't think it really applies to me. Oh, look at that. I seen it on the video last night and I was pretty stoked I caught it on camera. Oh, that's so cool. That is quite something. Singing ice under the waves. That is pretty darn cool. Well, it's going to be a cold one tonight. There's no clouds in the sky. I think it's supposed to be -6. Which is probably like 20, maybe 15 Fahrenheit or something like that. So yeah, we're gonna go cuddle up in the van. Now that we're all prepared, we got our diesel heater ready to go, full of fuel. I'm gonna charge up our batteries so we got a full battery. All right, let's get back into the van. I got snow on my boots. Oh, nice and warm in here. Just the way I like it. That feetsy's all nice and dried out. I got a little bit of snow on the back of my pants. Oh well. Well, we got a full 20 amps into the battery, which is good. That's with the lights going, probably the fridge or the freezer going. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out in the van. I'm getting prepared for this cold weather we're expecting here pretty soon. I was thinking about it yesterday, and I feel like this is like a cabin, a mobile cabin on wheels. What I mean by that is I'm literally just a little cabin out in the snow-covered wilderness enjoying life. Got everything I need in my van, and when I'm done, I can get out of here. When the snow picks up, I can just pack it up and whip out of here before it gets real bad and I'm socked in and I literally need a snowmobile or something to get out. Although this road is paved, if I was to get snowed in, I would have troubles getting out. But we're not getting any snow for a couple more days, so we're gonna enjoy it while it lasts. This will be my third night out in the wilderness, out in the snowy cold weather of British Columbia. But don't get me wrong, I'm enjoying every minute of this. I love this. At the same time, I do enjoy fishing, and it'll be really nice to get into some steelhead fish and run into some old friends down in the Fraser Valley. So we're gonna head out here pretty quick in the next couple days. I do gotta go help my mom. She needs some help. But once we're done that, shouldn't take me too long. We'll be packing up, heading out the door, heading straight for the Fraser Valley, heading for some warmer weather. Although, if I had a set of chains or something, or a four-wheel drive, like a winch, or a little bit more capable van with like a lift kit or something, I would be definitely putting this thing in some more places that I would be able to imagine I would be able to get into with just this little rear-wheel drive van. All right, let's make a cup of tea. Well, I got my cup of tea. I'm gonna go turn on the TV show. I'll keep you updated on how cold it is in the van. I'm not too worried about it. You know, I've done this before, right? I live in this van all the time, so. Okay, we'll see you guys in a little while. Got myself a little steak, strip loin, medium rare, some Caesar salad. Gonna enjoy my food and then turn on some Netflix and enjoy myself a little TV show. We'll see you guys in the morning, and just like that, it's morning. So I woke up in the middle of the night, turned off the heater, and then woke up around, I think it was 6:30, turned the heater back on. It's still comfortable in the van. Well, we're gonna have some breakfast, wake up, and then we're gonna take off down the road and hit up the next camp spot. Time to make some breakfast here. Some oatmeal, some strawberries, a cup of coffee. There's one thing I'm excited for is to go have a shower. Now don't get me wrong, I love being out here, but 3 days, no shower, that's like, no. Definitely need a shower. I could like have a sponge bath, but we're gonna be heading into town anyways, so we're gonna go have a shower anyways. Alright, got my breakfast all made, my coffee's all ready to go. Watching a little Matt's off-road recovery on the phone. Got a little internet connection for a little bit. Thought I'd check my messages, you know, to make sure everybody's doing alright in the family. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy watching our show and then enjoy watching this little sun coming through the clouds here. Didn't really expect it to come to the clouds, but looks like the clouds are starting to clear up a little bit. Might actually get a little charge on the batteries. I doubt it. It's so beautiful out though. Got the ice forming on the lake. It's so pretty out here. I love being out here. It's like my little cabin on wheels. Love it. I call it a tree fort, but it's technically a cabin on wheels. Man, I'm gonna miss this place. That's alright. I'll be back here in like 5 or 6 months when we go camping with the kids. Man, it's so pretty out here though. Holy crap. But I wish I could stay, but there's just no way I'm gonna stay and not get socked in with snow. This place gets crazy snow. I mean, this road will probably be fine. It's plowed. But it's getting in and out of the campsite that's the problem. The ice is still here. Man, that wind is cold though. Whew. Should have put my toque on. Oh well. Well, time to hit the road. See you guys down the road. Aren't too bad. I mean, they are pure ice, but it's not so bad. Looks like the grader came by and scraped some of it up, so that's pretty good. And the snowplow came by and dropped some dirt on top of but I don't foresee any problems. It's not like I got a bunch of hills to climb or anything like that. I'm just doing 30, 40 kilometers an hour, going around corners like this, and I don't have any problems. It also helps that I've got studs and like Hakkapelitas, which is like the top rated winter tire, so it's always nice to have confidence when you're driving down the roads like this. We're gonna go down the road back to my parents' house, have a shower, do a load of laundry. Don't have much laundry, but just do a small quick load. We're gonna pack it up, hit the road, head to warmer weather. We're all packed up, we're ready to go, we're showered, we grabbed a few things, and we're headed to West Bank. We are Fraser Valley bound. Hopefully we can make it in the next few days, because if everything works out right, we're gonna go fishing on Saturday. Not just any type of fishing, we're gonna go sturgeon fishing. This will be the third time in my entire lifetime. I'm super excited. So yeah, without further ado, let's hit the road once again. So now my little cabin on wheels is in the middle of a superstore parking lot. I'm gonna close these curtains because I don't want anybody peeking inside my van. This is when I put all my curtains up because there's just people going in and out shopping. You just don't want any Karens to bother you. Anyways, bought a few things, got some hot dog buns, some cream, you know, maybe a bag of chips. When I go to watch my TV show a little bit later, I'll have something to snack on. So I was gonna hit up the Coquihalla like right away, but I figure we'll just stay here tonight. So we're out here in West Bank. I was gonna go Kamloops Road, but I was reading the weather report and the actual like road reports. Like people actually drive up there and they'll just post, you know, this is what the road conditions are like. So the road conditions are great. So we're gonna take our chances. We're gonna head up the pass tomorrow. I think that's gonna be it for tonight, and I'm gonna enjoy myself a little in the Nanaimo bar. Oh, no. Yeah, don't judge me. I'm like a fat kid. I love sugar. If you guys like today's video and you guys are curious where this little cabin on wheels is gonna go next, remember to stay tuned, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next episode.